Hello everyone, I am Saksham back with the updates on TCS MBA hiring. So I could not make videos for the past few days, so updating you people today. And I've gone through the comments. The prima facie looks. Many students have commented about on what basis the joining letter have been issued. So honestly, I don't know how they issue the joining letter. They do the joining letter. They issue the joining letter basis. What criteria is not clear, but yeah, it happens in batches. On what batches that criteria is made, not sure. Maybe it is random, maybe it is based on the details provided in the readiness mail, so it is not clear. And but one thing is sure that not everyone from the same location can get the joining on the same time, because every center has a limitation of a number of trainees to be taken in the learning and development for the training, right? So basically, there are restrictions around that there as well, because there are joining happening from different channels. MB hiring is one, NQT is another, then Ignite in Smart Hiring is another. So training and development department can train limited number of people at one go. So not everybody can for the same location can get the joining on the same time. So that is obvious. So don't expect this or get anxious by the fact that your friend has got joining and you have not got it. So that is very clear. And when you will get the next joining, so I think it will have certain time gap, so that accordingly the number of new trainees can be accommodated. So I think the next joining shall come in the next 15 days or so, but I am not sure, I am just guessing it. So that is how it is. And then some students have asked for certain details about the joining formality. I think you have got 4 mails and everything has been mentioned very crystal clear how and what to be done. There are few documents which has to be uploaded on Explore site, and few documents they are to be uploaded on the Next Step portal. Okay, so go through the mails in detail and I think you will have all the clarity. So these are the I think the major queries. I will scroll through the queries, and we'll see if there are any other query apart from them, then we can answer them. Okay, but nothing to be anxious about here. Joining happens like that only. Some people are like, they get offer letter later than you, but they get joining early. So I don't know how that happens. Maybe it is a random system selection or something else. So that is not known to me, honestly. So but yes, your joining will also come, and definitely it will take some time, because the space should also be there at the joining location, training and development center as well. And how the joining is given, no joining location is given, so they see where are the requirements, and they also check what is the preferred location. If that matches, you get it, you get your preferred location. If it doesn't matches, you get the location where there are requirements. So it is very simple. Okay, so you cannot say that when whether you get your preferred location always. By the way, most of the candidates have got their preferred location, and for the ones who have not got it, maybe there were not enough requirements on that location, and that could be the reason. All right, so let's scroll through the queries quickly. Okay, sir, in my region, class is okay, I have already answered this. Can you please share when I expect my job? As I mentioned in some, so you have to wait and watch, when you will get your joining letter. My university does not issue original semester-wise mark sheet. I have online result copy registered with college seal and a total signature. Should I submit as mark sheet for the background verification process? I think mark sheets are very important. I don't know why your college does not provide that. You upload whatever you have. If the background check team doesn't satisfy with this, they will ask you to arrange it. Okay, so it depends upon the background check team acceptance. So if they are okay, they are okay. If they are not okay, they will tell you what to be done. Can you please update joining details about BPS for freshers? So BPS hiring is very different. BPS hiring doesn't happen like a mass hiring. It varies from location to location. So you should check with the HR who has issued the offer letter, because BPS hiring is certainly not mass level hiring, massive hiring. It is location specific, and it keeps on happening, month after month. So check with them, the HRs who have sent you the mails, because they can only tell you. Okay, next, anyone from Chennai research joining letter? Yes, many candidates got the joining. Sir, can nominee for all documents such as Form 9, gratuity, PF can be the same, as I am getting errors stating in gratuity for nomination that nomination made here invalidates your previous nomination. I think that is possible. You can have one nominee for all the forms. So I don't know why you are getting this error. Just refresh it. Next, I have completed BB in 4 years, which is 3 years course. Actually, in the first year, I took admission but did not give my exam. And from the next year, I appeared for the exam and completed with 1 year extra. I mentioned it during the screening and before getting the offer letter. And one of the HR from TCS called me and asked about it, and she said it will be taken as 1 year gap. So I need to worry, as it is an extended education. See, I have got this query from some other students as well, and recently, and now I see that they are not counting this as a rejection criteria. Many students with extended education have the same case, that they have acknowledged that they have extended education, but TCS have accepted that. So I don't think so they are rejecting people because of this criteria. So I think you should not worry about it at all, because we have already disclosed it. And like she said, now they are taking it as a gap. So you can, maybe they ask you to make a gap affidavit. All right. So as we are freshers and TCS will put us into project, then how we will do that project as fresher, because we don't know anything. Don't worry. I think you are thinking a lot. Whenever you join a project, there are so many team members to guide you. Okay, so you will easily learn all the things. Don't worry. Uh, okay, is it possible to get a preferred location for MBA joining? Many students are getting, so good chances. All my current documents reflect the same name. In childhood, there was a variation in my name which was rectified long ago, but there is a history of name change. Do I need to submit a name change affidavit? If yes, don't submit anything unless it is asked. If background check team has a problem, they will ask you, and then you can always submit, the required thing. Okay. All right. So, do we receive joining letter only after successful registration of NSR, or it can be completed after receiving? I don't think so. That it is dependent on that. So, it can be done after receiving joining letter as well. So, can you please tell what course we should do to improve our skills? Time we get joining. I think I have been telling this. I will make a separate video as well. But all of you as an MBA hire should be good at data analytics, and that includes courses like Advanced Excel, Power BI. So you should have a good hand on that, because that is one thing which you will require in every job. So if you don't know that, you can take a shot on that. And apart from this, the trending technologies like AI, Gen AI, you should know in detail about them as well. Hi sir, they have joined on batches. Can you please explain the criteria of batches? I acknowledged this in the start of this video. So okay, so can you please tell more about TCS pre-joining Expo learning program, its importance, and how to participate in the major part of TCS MBA hiring? So basically, for MBA hiring, there is no much pre-joining learning, but for TCS NQT, I think they have an assessment that is taken before joining, and if you score well in that, you get a joining bonus. But nothing as such I have heard for MBA program. Next, so I have a question. I'm currently working, and there's a 3 month notice period right now. I got mail for document verification. If my joining happens in September, then I will not be able to serve the notice period. So basically, you have to speak to your company to reduce your notice period. Sometimes you have to pay some amount to reduce the notice period, and that is something you have to discuss with your manager and your HR. So understand from them how you can reduce your notice period, Many times it happens that they accept it, so you have to speak to them accordingly. Otherwise, if your joining comes, you have to delay your joining. Okay, so something like that has to be done. uh, Nobody from Bangalore received joining. I think almost all location have got, some students have got joining at all locations. So that is my understanding. So I have not got my joining till now. My final sem exams will be November. So if I got my joining letter, so my joining will be cancelled permanently. No, it will be delayed. It will be postponed. Okay, on what basis they are sending jail interview performance? No, no, definitely not interview performance. Not sure. I'm not sure on what criteria, but it is definitely not interview performance. So I've selected my joining month ending July. I didn't mail. I didn't got my joining. Can you explain? Many people have given their readiness form details as July, but not everybody cannot get it at the same time. So I don't know what is the criteria, but not everyone get it at the same time. So can't say. So currently I'm not in the country and hence not able to access next portal. Will a joining letter update come in mail? Yes, it comes as a mail, so you can check your mails. And I don't know if you cannot, you can access next portal from outside the country as well. So I don't know. Okay, but yeah, it comes. You get a mail as well. Not one mail, but four mails are sent. By the joining team, which has all the details about you know uh, what and how, what to be done. So does joining this kind is almost HR specialization? No, this joining is for TCS MBA CAT 2 hiring. Okay, and joining for HR specialization is already done on 8th of July. This is for CAT 2. Sir, I have a birth certificate in my regional language for onboarding process. Is it acceptable? Submit a birth affidavit or an English birth certificate? No, you can submit a birth affidavit if you don't have the birth certificate in English language. So I got joining letter. I have managed to download necessary forms like Form 2 and Form 9, but I have a huge confusion regarding how to submit them. Like I should submit them next step portal or in Explore. So it is given in all, it is given, all the details have been explained in the mails that you have got. I think Form 2 and Form 9 are to be submitted on the Explore side. The remaining documents have to be submitted on the next step portals. Go through the mail and you will understand. I think somebody is also answering here what I have just said. Okay, so go through the mail that you have got. It has all the details. Okay, so I've already submitted my documents, but in the new site, now it's showing upload documents option again. Should I click on it? Try wait for some time, refresh it. Maybe it will reflect. Can you send the service agreement and police verification form? It comes as a part of the joining letter mail, so you will get it. Okay, when you get your joining. Sir, how could I know where my location preference, where my location preference during registration? It is not being mentioned in documents from application form letter. Basically, when you fill your application form, you get a chance to give your preference. If you don't give there, when you get the offer letter, you get a chance to give your preference then. Okay, so I don't know where you can see it now, but these are the two places where you mentioned your joining preferences. Okay, I have got offer letter but not survey mail. Can I know what that means? Nothing. Sometimes it happens that some student doesn't get it, so don't think much. Can someone tell me what to do with the forms? I'm not able to understand at all. Like, should I fill it up and then submit or print it with? Is anyone guide who's already done it? Okay, please go through the mails, and read all the details. Everything is mentioned in detail. I think FR Nova has already answered you what to be done. But yeah, I think it is not that difficult to understand. Okay. Some candidates have mentioned they have received their preferred joining location. Where did they provide information on preferred location? I think I just answered it. Oh, okay. Good afternoon, sir. Can you please tell me my career growth path and role hierarchy for a management role? Basically, you will take up one technology and you would be a business analyst, or you know a consultant, or any other techno function role you will be doing. So you will go maybe uh, you know like you will become senior consultant, you will become consultant. So there are different categories as you grow in experience in any technology. Okay, like you are like you are consultant, then you become a solution architect, like that. And then as far as the designation is concerned, designations are experience, number of years of experience based, and they are irrespective of any role. Or you can be a team lead into a particular project after some years when you get a good experience. So these are the typical hierarchy, and it is unique for everyone, depending upon the project and technology and your skill set as well. So it cannot be summarized, but yeah, to sum up, you can go in detail in a particular technology, or you can become a team lead, or you can choose some other technology after one technology, and you can become the same business analyst there. So there are couple of options, and it would depend upon what project you get and what role you get. And so is it true that TCS will bench their candidate after ILP if you not got a project? Don't be afraid about it. That's a common thing. Not everybody get the project immediately. And for freshers, there is a consideration because there are so many freshers. Okay, and those 35 days will not be a challenge for freshers as far as my understanding says. Sir, once I receive my initial posting location after ILP, will that location be permanent for long term, or is there any chance that it could change later on the project needs? Unless you ask for a change, it will not change. And if you ask for a change, you can ask it after 2 years. After 2 years, they allow you to take a transfer. After completing ILP, there is a chance to request a location change based on preference? No. After ILP for MBA candidates, the location remains the same. Next, sir, during my application for the TCS MBA, I started Bangalore as my first preferred location, but I gave my interview at TCS Hyderabad Center. I wanted to understand whether location I will be allotted depends upon application preference. Yeah, it depends on business requirement, and then if your application preference matches that, then you get that. But nothing has to be done do with the to be for the interview location, because that's just a location, that is just a place where you have given your interview. Hi sir, I haven't received any survey form. I have received offer letter, but I am done with my exams. So how the tech team will get to know that I am done with it? So basically, you there will be students from the same college, and like that they understand, okay, the exams for this colleges are done. So maybe that can be the one criteria, and so they can know it that way. Or maybe you get a survey form again in some days. Okay, I just want to know that TCS started routing on joining some people. Okay, no, I already addressed it in the start of this mail. Um, anyone from MP region received joining letter? I have not come across somebody yet. Uh, the offer letter comes as a mail, and it comes in the next step portal also. Both the things are there. Does anyone want join letter at the work location? Okay. Uh, okay. All right. So I think we have covered all the comments. Thank you so much.